Well, hey there, and welcome to my channel. It is Nitro Country, and this is the Critter Swing Pool. And today we are gonna have ourselves a Critter Pool Party, because we have not one, not two, not three, but four masked bandits that have decided to join me for a swim. These little guys are notorious for being great swimmers. They also great at destroying property and getting into things they not supposed to be getting into. So when the opportunity presents itself for them to go for a swim in the kiddie pool, of course they're going to take it. Now, normally I don't mind sharing the critter pool with wildlife, but these guys are a little too big for my taste. And besides, they're notorious for bringing their dinner back to the pool with them. And then, sometimes they decide they want to share their dinner with their new friends that they just met. And that, my friends, is not very nice. So I'm gonna try to encourage them to get out of the pool. But before we do that, let's see if we can get them to do a little trick for us. Alright, little guys, you've had your fun in the sun. Now it's time to get out. Now usually when I tell them to get out, they'll decide to take a little stroll down memory lane and give me a little show. They like to pretend like they're going to do a trick for me. They like to pretend like they're going to jump up on their hind legs and give me 5. Come on now! Don't leave me hanging. Give me that paw! Come on, buddy! Come on now! Alright, you got it? Good boy? Good girl. There we go. Now what do we do when we get all 4 paws? That's right. We give them a treat. And after they get their treat, they're gonna go on their way. It's so much fun when the critters come to the pool. But, sometimes they like to bring their dinner, and sometimes they don't want to share. So it's always a gamble whether or not you're going to have a critter pool party. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!